100 most important Ielts synonyms. Big, enormous. Small, tiny. Fast, rapid. Slow, gradual. Good, excellent. Bad, detrimental. Happy, joyful. Sad, depressed. Smart, intelligent. Stupid, foolish. Easy, simple. Hard, difficult. Important, crucial. Unimportant, insignificant. Rich, wealthy. Poor, needy. Clean, spotless. Dirty, filthy. Nice, pleasant. Mean, rude. Strong, powerful. Weak, fragile. Beautiful, attractive. Ugly, unattractive. Noisy, loud. Quiet, peaceful. Cheap, inexpensive. Expensive, costly. Interesting, fascinating. Boring, dull. Tired, exhausted. Hungry, starving. Cold, chilly. Hot, scorching. Brave, courageous. Scared, afraid. True, accurate. False, incorrect. Bright, radiant. Dark, dim. Right, correct. Wrong, incorrect. Old, elderly. Young, youthful. Kind, generous. Cruel, harsh. Funny, amusing. Serious, grave. Lazy, idle. Busy, occupied. Idea, concept. Problem, issue. Result, outcome. Reason, cause. Answer, response. Help, assist. Think, consider. Need, require. Get, obtain. Give, provide. Say, state. Show, demonstrate. Begin, commence. End, conclude. Build, construct. Destroy, demolish. Increase, rise. Decrease, decline. Improve, enhance. Make, create. Find, discover. Use, utilize. Change, modify. Stop, cease. Try, attempt. Tell, inform. Ask, inquire. Buy, purchase. Support, advocate. Avoid, prevent. Explain, clarify. Say again, repeat. Choose, select. Check, verify. Deal with, handle. Think about, reflect on. Go up, increase. Go down, decrease. Look at, examine. Talk about, discuss. Say sorry, apologize. Begin again, resume. Lead to, result in. End up, conclude. Speed up, accelerate. Slow down, decelerate. Get better, recover. Get worse, deteriorate. Set up, establish. Break down, collapse. So students, this video ends here, and if you like this video, then do like, comment, share to this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.